The Sales Forecast Tracking Excel worksheet will do exactly what its name means. It will help you forecast sales and estimate the number of items to be sold in each period based on the previous period. We all know that any business depends on its sales to maintain the health of its currency and even survive the competition. Therefore, it is undoubtedly essential to have tools that can help forecast sales volume at any given time. So it seems that the advantages of being able to plan sales on a regular basis are not enough, but Excel sales scheduling can still help you control the company's incoming and outgoing goods. As well, all sales that you start in the spreadsheet will be saved, making it easier for you to intuitively understand which products are more and which are less in each period. This control can help you understand in which season each product sells the most and therefore can help in placing new orders with suppliers in advance. In addition, it also has the main function of a sales forecast tracking Excel spreadsheet to help you estimate the number of future sales. To facilitate the effective design of sales forecasts, we have prepared an Excel spreadsheet to help you. It is simple to use and allows you to track charts of estimated monthly sales. The spreadsheet contains a seasonality analysis, as we know the story can be more complicated. Putting it into a spreadsheet when estimating sales will help you in your strategy and business plan during this period. This was our sales forecast tracking Excel. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.